Hey everyone, welcome back to Zakaria Robotics channel. Today we are diving deep beneath the ocean to explore the incredible physics behind carbon fiber materials used in elite underwater exploration vehicles. Carbon fiber is one of the most advanced materials ever created, and scientists use it to build machines capable of surviving extreme underwater pressure. But this material is not perfect and its physics can become very dangerous in deep sea environments. So, in this video, we will break down how carbon fiber works, why engineers use it, and the risks hidden inside this futuristic material. Carbon fiber is a composite material made from tiny strands of carbon woven together and combined with strong resin. The reason this material is so powerful comes from the atomic structure of carbon itself, which creates extremely strong bonds between atoms. Carbon fiber is much lighter than steel but can still handle massive forces without stretching easily. This makes it perfect for industries like aerospace, racing, and underwater exploration. Engineers love it because it provides high weight while keeping vehicles lightweight and fast. The deeper a submarine travels, the stronger the water pressure becomes around it. Thousands of meters below sea level, the pressure can become hundreds of times stronger than the air pressure we feel on land. This means underwater vehicles are constantly being squeezed inward from every direction. Materials used in deep sea exploration must survive this crushing force without collapsing. That is why engineers carefully study the physics of pressure before designing any underwater machine. One of the biggest advantages of carbon fiber is its incredible straight to weight ratio. A lighter submarine needs less energy to move underwater and can become more efficient during exploration missions. Carbon fiber is also very stiff, which helps the vehicle keep its shape under stress. Unlike steel, it does not rust easily and in salty ocean water. Because of these advantages, many engineers see carbon fiber as one of the future materials for underwater technology. Even though carbon fiber is very strong, it behaves differently from metals under compression. Carbon fiber performs best when forces try to pull it apart, but underwater pressure pushes inward on the material from every direction. Small hidden cracks can form inside the layers of the composite over time. Unlike metal, carbon fiber may fail suddenly without large visible warning signs. This is one reason why deep sea carbon fiber structures require extremely advanced testing and monitoring. Every time a submersible dives deep underwater and returns to the surface, the material experiences a full pressure cycle over many missions. These repeated cycles can slowly weaken the structure. Tiny microscopic damage may appear inside the resin holding the fibers together. Scientists call this process material fatigue, and it is one of the biggest challenges in underwater engineering. Even if the outside looks normal, hidden internal damage can continue growing over time. Before building underwater exploration vehicles, engineers use advanced computer simulations to predict how carbon fiber will behave under extreme pressure. These simulations help scientists identify weak points before the submarine is even constructed. Engineers also use ultrasonic scans and sensors to search for internal cracks after missions. Modern underwater engineering depends heavily on physics, mathematics, and material science. Without these technologies, exploring the deep ocean would become far more dangerous. One of the most important things about carbon fiber is that its strength depends on the direction of the fibers. Engineers place layers of fibers in different angles so the material can resist forces coming from multiple directions. If too many fibers point in only one direction, the structure may become weak against other types of stress. This is very different from metals, which usually behave more evenly in every direction. Designing the perfect fiber orientation is a huge part of underwater engineering and requires incredible precision. Deep underwater environments are not only dangerous because of pressure, but also because of temperature changes and saltwater exposure. Salt water can slowly affect the resin that holds the carbon fibers together, especially after long periods underwater. Temperature differences between deep and shallow water can also create internal stress inside the material. Over time, these environmental effects may weaken the structure even if no damage is visible outside. That is why underwater exploration vehicles need constant inspection and maintenance after major missions. Researchers are currently developing even stronger versions of carbon fiber composites for future underwater missions. Some future submarines may combine carbon fiber with titanium or ceramic materials for extra safety and durability. As technology improves, humans may explore deeper parts of the ocean than ever before. Carbon fiber could become one of the key materials that makes these missions possible. The future of deep sea exploration will depend on how well engineers can balance trade, weight, and safety. Thank you all for watching this video on the physics of carbon fiber in elite underwater exploration. If you enjoyed this video and want more science, robotics, and advanced technology content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications bell so you never miss an upload. Tell me in the comments what futuristic technology you want me to explain next. And as always, stay curious, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.